ready for the Olympics. All right. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Takeshi Aquatics. Today should be a very quick video. I actually just got out of my car, just got here, and I have this fish right here, all in these gold bags. The only reason why I didn't pick up that many fish, only 18 today, is that this is all for one customer, and the customer did all the legwork. The guy is super smart. These fish are very special. They're actually mollies, and they came all the way from the Philippines. I can't wait to see what it looks like. So I'm gonna get started because I don't want them to die. They're very expensive, and I need to get them acclimated as soon as possible. So with only 18 fish, I'm pretty sure that this video is gonna be pretty quick. At least I hope it is. And I hope we don't have any DOAs. One can only hope for that, but we'll see. Let's get into it and let's see what we got. Super excited to see these. Okay, the first fish here, just grabbing him from the bag. As you can see, oh, and it's alive. It's alive. It is alive. Oh, wow. Okay. And you can actually see on the bag here, it says, I don't know if you can read it, but it says from the Philippines. I need to get these fish acclimated as soon as possible. They're very expensive fish. Wow. All I'm gonna say is that it was definitely worth the trouble that he went through to get these. Look at that. I'm pretty sure you guys are not or have not ever seen a strain of molly like this in your life. Maybe in your life, maybe online. Definitely not in person, unless you're in the Philippines. Look at that. Boy, do they have beautiful fish there. So, one is good. I'm happy. Okay, let's open the next bag. I'm just randomly gonna pick it here. I see some movement. That's awesome. Woohoo, that's two. That is two. And really, I don't know what the strains are called. Wow, my goodness. Look at that. That is literally amazing. Can you guys see that? I'm just gonna pause here just for a little bit because that is awesome. Look at that. Unbelievable. Okay, next up, gotta rush through this. All right, got another live one. That makes three. I like that. What I don't like is when the bags are wet because it scares me. Oh my gosh, so worth it. Look at that. That is so worth it. Like, I'm not even kidding. Can you guys see that? I hope this thing is focusing, because that is just beautiful. Moving on, moving on. Let's go. Make sure they're alive. Oh man, shoot. Okay, so we have a DOA, unfortunately. I hate when that happens. I really do. Shucks. I just gotta be sure it is in fact DOA. Oh yeah. All right. I need to record this. All right, so sad. Fourth one didn't make it. Hopefully this one did. Yes. So far one DOA. Like I said, I gotta rush and get these guys out of here as soon as possible. Oh, wow. And fish are always stressed out when they're shipped. And so when they stress out, they lose their colors. But these guys does not look like they lost any color at all whatsoever. Amazing. Look how beautiful that is. All right, next up, DOA. Nope. Whew. Scary. The reason why I'm scared is because there's no air in this bag, as you can see. So sometimes when there's no air, they're like, that's it already, you know, done. But it's a strong one. He's a strong one. That beautiful fish. Next. Okay. This one's not bad. Still nice though. You're not gonna find a strain like this here in Hawaii. I can guarantee you that one. Super, super nice. I don't know what these strains are called. Maybe when I find out, I'll post it down below, but I have no idea. But it's nice. If I had to guess, I really don't know. All right, next, dead or alive? Alive! From the Philippines. That's so crazy to think about. I'm not gonna lie. To think these fish came all the way from the Philippines is just mind-boggling to me. Look at that. Super cool. Next up, dead or alive? Another DOA. I don't like DOAs, but who does? That's number two. Next. Yes! Live. Come on, baby. Ooh, water's dirty. I gotta get these guys going. Check that out. Super gorgeous mollies. And if you're wondering, all of these are in fact mollies. But they are all from the Philippines. And that to me is just amazing. Next, nope, I see movement. Makes me happy to see movement. Let me tell you, I love these. Like, I like the white ones. The white ones are nice, but these are beautiful. They are just beautiful. Look at that. Unreal. I love them. I really do. All right, next. Oh, wow. And I think it's not going to be alive. It's actually alive. That's awesome. That is awesome. Look at that. Wow. Again, super nice, whatever strain this is. I really like this one. The orange really just pops, you know? It's really nice. All right, next. Nope, not a DOA. Like it, I like it, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Woohoo! Beautiful. I hope it's focusing for you guys because these fish are just immaculately beautiful. It's like tiger stripes or something. Next. DOA, DOA. Nope. Let's go. Gee. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Wow, I'm so excited. Like I'm shaking. I gotta relax a little bit. How's that beauty? How's that beauty doing? Beauty, beauty, beauty. Next, alive. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't know what it is. Just makes me excited to see them alive. So many DOAs on every shipment. Oh, it just makes me so happy. Especially for this customer, he did a lot of work, extremely a lot of work, went through a lot of stress, and went through quite a bit to get these species here, or these strains here. And I will confidently say that he's 99.9% the only one who has this strain on this island. We got 3 more. Yes. Okay, well, this one doesn't look too good. I can tell because, you know, when the fish are swimming around like crazy, that's when you know they're healthy. Oh, this one is good. Oh, and he's a cutie. Or she. I don't know. Can't tell. I'm rushing. I don't want to look at the fish and examine it. I want to just show it to you guys and plop them into their new temporary homes, get them acclimated and quarantined as soon as I possibly can. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, that was gross. Same one, same strain, just as beautiful as the other ones. So, there you go. Last bag, dead or alive. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I mean, I'm sad that 3 came in DOA, but you know what? Out of 18, that's 15 fish. It's not too bad, I guess. Except that you gotta pay shipping and fees and all that stuff. But, you know, look at that. Beautiful. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. If you look down at that little button there, when I say the word subscribe, you'll see that thing flash. So I'll say it again, subscribe, please. That would be awesome. Hit the like button, share this video if you want. I got fish here from the Philippines. Out of 18, only 2 DOAs. I didn't do the legwork. Somebody else did. He's a genius. I'm not. Thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. All right.